looking at rolling objects here. So when something's rolling, yes, the velocity of the object moving, or the speed at which it moves, is equal to the angular velocity times the radius. Now the key word here is rolling without slipping. So for instance, if you think about in the wintertime when you get in your car and you push on the gas and your wheels just spin, it might say your car's going like 40 miles an hour, but you're not going very fast. Maybe you're only going like 5 as those wheels spin. Again, that's the difference there. It can't be slipping. There has to be no slipping. All right, so let's do a quick example here. It says a 0.4 diameter ball rolls at 5 meters per second. What is the angular velocity of the ball? So angular velocity, I'm looking for omega. They told me how fast it was rolling and they told me the diameter. So of course we'll have to divide that by 2 to get the radius. So they said it was rolling at 5 meters per second. Omega times diameter was 0.4, so the radius is 0.2. So go ahead and find omega. So divide the 0.2 over, you get 25 radians per second for your omega.